We would like to have an offer for our customers for like affordable, ready-made frozen meals. And you can have a cottage pie with a side of garlic bread and a pudding, which is either a crumble or a bread and butter pudding or something like that. Is it good? For like £6 or £7.
How are you feeling, Jodie? You alright?
Yeah,
You good?
I'm glad to be back.
You're glad to be back. Are you crying yet, Jodie?
No, not yet.
No, not
You
yet.
did pretty well yesterday, actually.
Yeah.
You're getting a bit bored at home.
Yeah, it's very bored.
There you're on Team Kitchen 1.
How are you feeling being back in the kitchen?
You don't know.
You don't know, sort of a bit out of sorts.
You'll feel better?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this is possibly the most basic apple crumble recipe. It's just apples and then the crumble topping.
It's one of my favourite puddings, apple crumble. Are you worried about coming in this week?
Yeah.
Yeah? How do you feel now that you're here?
A bit better.
A bit better?
Yeah, with my weekly.
Yeah. Oh, good, good.
This is what we're trying to do, and this is what we want to sell. So we'll do a fresh one that we can try and reflect and review,
And a
and a
frozen
frozen one
one.
to try tomorrow, do the same, and then see if there's anything that we need to tweak. So you're right, I just reached for the bowl. What could I have done differently?
Put it in the saucepan.
Put it in the saucepan. So give it a mix up now because the cream's probably sitting at the bottom.
We're going to play around with these recipes with garlic until we've got one that we all agree is delicious. So, Matthew, you need to promise me when we critique it later, if we decide that we need to amend the recipe, do not take it personally. Okay? As chefs, you need to just kind of hear your audience, hear what they say, and adjust it, and never take it personally. There we go. Yeah, well that's part of what we're doing, Matthew. We're trying to, because we've never done the part bake before, we've got to figure it out. So we will make mistakes until we get it right. And that's just how it is.